Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we are going to be learning about rationalizing the denominator of a fraction. So, what is this all about? So basically, the denominator on a fraction can't be a radical number like this. 2 divided by square root 3. Square root 3 is a radical number, which isn't allowed on a denominator. So basically, what we're learning today is how to get the radical number off of the denominator. Alright, for example, we have 2 divided by square root 3. To get square root 3 off of the denominator, we need to multiply both the numerator and the denominator with a number that will turn the denominator into a normal number. In this case, it's square root 3. So 2 times square root 3 divided by square root 3 times square root 3, which is 2 times square root 3 divided by square root 9. So the answer is 2 times square root 3 divided by 3, or 2 divided by 3 times square root 3. Alright, so another one. 5 divided by square root 7. So doing this is actually really similar to doing the one with square root 3. All you need to do is multiply both the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. In this case, it's square root 7. So 5 times square root 7 divided by square root 49. The answer is 5 times square root 7 divided by 7, or 5 divided by 7 times square root 7. Alright, another one. 8 divided by square root 6. It's the same as the problems before. All we need to do is multiply 8 divided by square root 6, multiply it by square root 6 divided by square root 6. 8 times square root 6 divided by square root 36 equals 8 times square root 6 divided by 6, or 4 divided by 3 times square root 6. Alright, so 3 divided by square root 5. It's the same, so we multiply it by square root 5 divided by square root 5. 3 times square root 5 divided by square root 25. So the answer is 3 times square root 5 divided by 5, or 3 divided by 5 times square root 5. Alright, so now we meet a problem here. This one isn't just one radical number. So the denominator here is called a binomial. So to remove the radical number off of a binomial denominator is to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So the denominator of 3 plus square root 2 is 3 minus square root 2. 12 minus 4 times square root 2 divided by 9 minus square root 4 equals 12 minus 4 times square root 2 divided by 9 minus 2. So the answer is 12 minus 4 times 2 divided by 7, or 12 divided by 7 minus 4 per 7 times 2. Alright, here we got a hard one. Square root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 times square root 2 divided by square root 7. Alright, so here both the numerator and the denominator are both binomial values. So in this case, you don't really need to worry about it. It's okay. There is no difference in doing this, in completing this problem. It's the same. We multiply it by the conjugate of the denominator, which is 2 times square root 2 plus square root 7 divided by 2 times square root 2 plus square root 7. So we get here 2 times square root 6 plus square root 21 plus 2 times square root 2 plus square root 7 divided by 8 minus square root 49. 8 minus square root 49 is 8 minus 7. So 2 times square root 6 plus square root 21 plus 2 times square root 2 plus square root 7 divided by 1. So the answer is 2 times square root 6 plus square root 21 plus 2 times square root 2 plus square root 7. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this math lesson. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.